Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Now, people often ask me about stablecoins, and I always say if you're just holding your stablecoins, you're not an investor, and your stablecoins aren't working for you. You got to treat them like cash in real life. You got to have it working for you at all times. Now, today we're looking at something called 8 Lens, and this will make your USDC work. Not through farming or not through trading, but through real loans with interest rates up to 25%. Now, this is a Web3 lending platform with transparent conditions and fixed returns created by a company called Maclear AG. Now, they're a Swiss company that has already raised 23 million euros in investments. So today we're going to be taking a look at something called 8 Lens. So here it is, guys. This is 8 Lens, a P2P crypto crowd lending platform. And as I said, Swiss regulated, and you can get up to 25% interest on your loans. They've already funded 22.1 million euro. Total repaid so far is 4.4 million. And there is over 7,500 investors. And to date, there has been zero default or late loans. So it's secure, it's fully collateralized by real-world assets, zero middlemen, just transparent, reliable, and exceptional returns. Now, Maclear are a standout name in Swiss banking and Swiss investment. And this is a different take on DeFi lending because there's an awful lot of vetting done before you can even get up on this website. I'm going to take a look at the back end in a second, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can get involved and how you can get invested in any project. Now, obviously, there are lots of advantages to this type of platform. Obviously, number one is no complex strategies. You just invest, you lend, and you receive the interest back at a particular rate and at a particular time. The other plus is smart contracts. So this ensures everything is automated, and so the execution of the terms happens without any other input once the agreements are made. The minimum investment on this is only 100 USDC. And one thing about investment in platforms like this is you don't have to worry about volatility or how the markets are going up or down. So obviously your stablecoins are working for you rather than sitting in a wallet. Now, this is open to people outside of the EU, so it's not just reserved for EU citizens. It is fully compliant with AML, KYC, and GDPR standards. You will have to do KYC if you want to get involved. The contracts have been audited, verified, and audited by Certec and Cyberscope. And down here, you'll see the projects that are ongoing. Down here, you got your FAQs. How does it work exactly? I mean, it's pretty straightforward, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But borrowers apply for funding backed by real-world assets like property or equipment. The platform evaluates the financial health and collateral using a rigorous 40-point verification process. And if they pass that, they get on the platform, and then you choose to invest in based on your goals, starting with as little as 100 USDC. So, once you connect your wallet, you can do it with either all the big ones. Any Web3 wallet will do. You connect your wallet, and this is the dashboard after you connect your wallet. This is the DApp here. Over here, you got your open, you got your funded, and you got your repaid. So this is very new. It came out this year, and so a lot of these funded ones are ongoing. But just, as you can see here, you got wholesale, car rental, consumer loans. And down here, these are the open ones. You'll see the lending APR, the percentage of the amount needed raise, the term, 8 months, 9 months, 4 months. And you can click on it. And this is what I like. It gives you a lot of information about the company you're going to be investing in. You got your highlights. You got a risk score. Total risk is 7 out of 10 on this one. The debt to equity, LTV, and down here you got more details, the portfolio composition, default rates, everything you need to know about the companies. Key facts down here. Rapid Finance was founded on the 30th of May. For example, this one, 30th of May 2024. The start of work production was January the 1st, and the company's share capital is 536,000. Now, this is a pretty short-term loan. It's only for 4 months, but the lending APR is 21.5%. So, as you can see here on the dashboard, I've connected my wallet, and you'll see we have a balance of 105. And we're going to go over here to market. So let's try the car rental in Dubai. As you can see, there's a whole list of information about the company. They're looking to acquire 10 new vehicles. And they're looking to seek a $500,000 loan overall for a fund to fund their fleet expansion. So we're going to go invest. We're going to put in $100. Make sure you agree to all the terms and investor agreements. Click on confirm. Once the transaction is completed, you go back into your dashboard and you'll see we got 100 USDC invested. The average APY is 22.9%. Expected return 17.18 USDC. And that's it. And so hopefully, go back into market. Hopefully we'll see this populated with more and more projects over the coming weeks and months. So finally, guys, I want to do a quick summary because there's quite a bit going on here, and I think it's important that you get your head around everything. I mean, 8lens is a fantastic platform. It is Web3 lending platform launched in 2025. They have a fixed income from loans up to 25% annually. All projects undergo verification on more than 40 different points. MacClair AG is acting as a collateral holder and security guarantor. There's a buyback guarantee system in development from MacClair. Transparent terms. Users act as lenders through smart contracts. Payment structure, monthly interest payments, principal returned at the end of the term. Suitable for crypto investors looking for stable income on their stablecoins. Very important that. And investments are from 100 USDC only. As I mentioned earlier, mandatory KYC for all your users. Global availability. It's not just limited to EU citizens. And it is a simple process of just connecting your wallet, complete the verification, select the project you're interested in, and invest. So guys, that about does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this is a very interesting project. I'm going to be investing in it, and I'm going to be keeping an eye on it over the coming weeks and months. And don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Head over to their Telegram if you've got any questions there, and give them a follow on Twitter. Do also have a referral program going on. It's the 6+6, 6% for me, 6% for you. If you're interested in getting involved, I'd appreciate you using the link in the description. Don't forget to let me know in the comments box what you think of this project and what you think of this idea in general. Is there a place for it in crypto? And if so, do you think it is going to be successful? Once again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked today's video. If you didn't, fuck it. Go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.